The cooking contest, a 2-week, 1-day one. In the city, there was a big cooking contest. Emma, a young chef, was very excited. She wanted to cook something special. Emma, I am happy to be here. It will be hard, but I am ready. At the contest, everyone got a card with rules. They could only use vegetables to cook. They had to make a dish from their country. Organizer, you have 3 hours. Find your number on the chart in the middle of the room. Emma chose carrots, cheese, and cream. She wanted to make a carrot dish. She saw her cousin Lucas there too. Lucas, I am making a chocolate dessert. What are you making? Emma, I am making a carrot dish. I hope the judges like it. Emma started cooking. She put her coat on her chair and looked at the clock. Children watched her cook. They were from a cooking club. Emma needed more cheese, but there was no cheese left. She saw a man with cheese. Emma, can I have some of your cheese? I need it for my dish. Man, I need it all, but let's see later. Emma went back to her place. She used more cream to make the dish good. Time was almost over. When time was up, the judges came to taste her dish. Judge, this is good. The carrots taste nice. Emma, thank you. I had no more cheese, but I tried my best. Emma was happy. She talked to Lucas. Lucas, how did it go? Emma, it was good. I am happy. At the end, Emma got a prize for being very creative. She was happy. She and Lucas had coffee. Emma, next year, I will try again. I can't wait.